this is our second 10 minutes video to learn how to draw this pattern within 1 hour. If you haven't watched the first video, please click here to watch the first video before you continue with this one. Let's start. We're still going to use this Trinket.io/turtle. So let's go to this website. And same as yesterday, we'll see some codes, some drawings, and we want to expand the screen. Okay, let's delete all the code here. In the last video, we learned how to draw square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Today, our focus is going to be on colors. Most people like colorful pictures, so how to make our drawing more colorful? Remember what's the first line we need to put is import turtle. This tutorial in Python, I'm going to use turtle to draw. And the last line we want to do is turtle.done. This is to tell Python, I finished our drawing code, now please start drawing for me. Anything we want to draw, we're going to put it in between. Since today our focus is on colors, so let's keep the drawing simple. Let's just draw a circle. How do we draw a circle? Turtle.circle. Bracket. Within the bracket is the radius of the circle, so let's put 100. Before we add any colors, let's just test these 3 lines of code works fine. So run. We see a circle there. Right? So how do we add colors? Let's say I don't want to use black color. I want to use red color. We will do turtle.color bracket. Inside the bracket, we're going to put the color we want to use, which is red. But remember, when you put red, you need to add this quotation. You can use single quotation or you can use double quotation. Both works, but remember to put the quotation. When you put a quotation, you are telling Python, this is something I want to use. Don't try to understand what it is, just take it as red. The other thing you want to take note is this color. We use US spelling, so you need to spell it as C-O-L-O-R. If you use British spelling, C-O-L-O-U-R, you run, there will be an error. As we learn more about Python, I will share with you why we need to spell it exactly the same as C-O-L-O-R rather than use a British spelling. But for now, just remember, use C-O-L-O-R. Now let's try our code. Okay, it's a red color. Let's say I want to color the whole circle. Instead of just drawing a red circle, I want the whole circle to be red. So you need to tell Python, I want to color the circle. How do you do it? So before the drawing, you need to put turtle.begin_fill. Okay. And after your drawing, you need to put turtle.end_fill. Okay, let's run the code. You draw the circle, then it will color the whole circle red color. What are we going to do next? What if I want to draw the circle using red color, but I want to color the whole circle yellow? What should I do? Instead of using turtle.color, we're going to use turtle.paint color. Paint color is like the color of your drawing pen. It's going to be red. And we're going to add one more line, turtle.fill color. And I want to use yellow. Similarly, you need to put a quotation for yellow. Okay, now let's run our code again. Red color, and the whole circle is yellow color. So the previous line we use, this line turtle.color. This line turtle.color, it actually says both the paint color and the fill color. So if you want to use the same paint color and fill color, you can just use one line of code turtle.color. But if you want to use different paint color and fill color, then you will use these 2 lines. Okay, so let's delete this line first. Now we have paint color, we have fill color, but what if I don't want to draw on a white background? I want the whole thing to be maybe black. Black seems cool to me. So how do we do? When you set the whole screen to be black, you are setting the color of the screen. So first, let's get the screen. Screen equal to turtle.screen. So this is taking the drawing screen of this turtle, and I give it a name called screen. Take note, this screen, turtle.screen, the S has to be capital. Okay. So these are certain ways of writing that we need to follow. And again, as we learn more about Python, I'll explain why it has to be a capital letter. For now, just remember, okay, turtle.screen, that's my screen, and I want to change the whole screen to be black color. So we'll do screen.bg color. BG, the short form for background. BG color bracket, quotation, I will put black. Let's try. Okay, so now we have a black screen, and the circle is drawn using red color. The whole circle is yellow color, exactly what we want. So now can you pause the video and think about how do you draw a rectangle using white color and color the whole rectangle, let's see, purple. Can you pause the video and start working on the code? Once you are done, you can resume this video and check your code. Okay, now let's see you have finished your own coding, and let's check it out how to do it. So now instead of a circle, I want a rectangle, so I will delete this code to draw a circle, and I will change it to the code to draw the rectangle. Remember how to draw a rectangle? We learned in the last video. So turtle.forward 150, draw a line, then I'll turn 90 degrees, right? Okay, now I'll need to do this 4 times. But instead of typing these 2 lines 4 times, I'll just do copy paste. So I'll highlight these 2 lines. How do you copy? If you are using Windows, press Ctrl and the letter C together. If you are using Mac, press Command and the letter C together. Command C, then you move your cursor on the next line and you do paste. Again, for Windows, you do Ctrl V to paste. For Mac, you do Command V to paste. So that's 1 time. I'll go to the next line again, paste, go to the next line again, paste. So you only need to copy once, then you paste 3 times. Right? Plus the original copy, you have 4 copies. Okay, now let's try. Oh, now it's a square. We forgot to change the length. Let me change the second line to be 100 and the fourth line to be 100. Then we have a rectangle. And remember, we'll also need to change the colors. This time we want to use different colors. So the pen color, I want to use white. And the fill color, maybe I want to use purple. Okay, let's see. Run the code. We have a rectangle drawn using white color, and the whole rectangle is purple color. Okay, so this is our second video. Once you're done, you can move forward to the next video. We're going to learn more fun stuff.